you guys. I'm so excited to get coloring again. For those of you that follow me, you know my family has been here, and so I haven't been able to color, but I came up finally. I told you I was going to make a nice cool line of coloring cards. I did. So here's my first one. Isn't this cute? Look, it's a cute little turtle. Look at that cute turtle. Look at all the detail you could color in. And guess what? You could just print it out right on your own print. It says, "You're totally awesome." Is that cute? And then on the back, you can put your name. This card was created handmade with love, and you can write your name right here to sign the card. And then it's got my link on it to my Etsy shop on there. And then I also am including a template so that you can make your own card. So the card, it depends on how hard you want it. Like this is you can hear that? See, this is a really hard stock, the same way I made the card. So if you want to print it out, I used, I think this was 80 pound cover stock on here. And it's your normal size greeting card. This is actually 4.5 by 6.5. And then what you do is you're going to get your template, and all you got to do is fold it, and then you're just gonna, there's a special way, you're just gonna cut it out and glue it on the sides with the hot glue stick, and you're done. You can decorate your card. Now you got a personal gift. So not only can you have fun just coloring it, you can collect them for yourself. And then because they're nice and handy, or you could just color them and give them away as gifts. So this is my very first one. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to have many more to come. This is my very first one. So thanks very much. Bye-bye. Oh, you can find it on Etsy.com, by the way. I'll put the link below. Thanks.